Well, basically, I was diagnosed with a herniated disc in June of this year, 2015. Actually, it was last year. Yeah, what happened? I had a minor herniation. I got that confirmed by an MRI. The pain was there. It was getting painful, but it was okay. That went away. And then I had another episode a month later, which was much more severe. Lasted for a couple of weeks, and then it was very uncomfortable, but also went away. And then somewhere in the end of, I think it was end of October, early November, I got a really severe episode of the herniation, and it turned out that I had a second herniation on top of it at the same location. The pain was really bad. I couldn't sleep. I couldn't stand. I couldn't walk. I mean, I really couldn't walk for more than 50 meters without just pain. I was completely twisted. I slept on the floor for 2 weeks, basically. I couldn't get into bed, and I was afraid that I couldn't get out of the bed. I think that was even worse of the fear. So that's basically what happened until I came to see you. So I noticed that I really was thankful for the pain medication. I'm really not a big fan of any drugs, but I needed those. We prescribed the steroid injections. They started to give some relief. I think after the first injection there was already some relief. I mean, at least it was more manageable. And I think by the time you did the third injection, you combined it with the prolotherapy. And I think that for me, after that injection, I really got function back. Because what I really noticed is that the pain at some point in time was manageable, but I was completely shifted. I still couldn't sit, I couldn't really walk. It was almost impossible to get to a doctor's office. Sitting on hands and knees in a taxi is not really comfortable. You cannot describe the amount of pain and discomfort that you can have because of this. And immediately after this first injection, I think it took about 2-3 days that it really started to show good results, and I started being straighter again and get a lot of motion back. And I think that was around, almost around Christmas time, so it felt really good. So I noticed that after the first injection I started to feel better, but there was still a lot of discomfort. And then after the second injection, which was also much more comfortable, it really felt almost immediately a big relief. And I've been able to walk. You know, we went to buy a Christmas tree with the family, and I was like, wow, can I even walk this far? So it was really nice to have that. And basically, I've been getting normal function back. We had some strength loss in my toe, which was progressively getting worse, and I think that immediately after the first treatment started to get better. And right now it looks like both feet are equally in strength again. Yeah.